Chloe makes a deal with Captain Cohen. Bruno wants to use Chloe as insurance, but Ndala is like, try me. Dintle is tired of pretending that she doesn't have money to boost Nhloso's ego. She says that the Nhloso she married is not the Nhloso she was having an affair with. Taps falls victim to Mamsi. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Chloe went to Captain Cohen to confess about everything that she's been hiding from the police, saying that she thought she was saving Minky because of the GBV rate in SA, and then comes clean about everything and says, these people are lovers, Bruno and Minky. And then Captain Cohen says, Muna, Minky, Desmond thought the same thing. And then they plan this whole thing with what they're going to do. And then Chloe comes clean that Dada didn't know anything, and now they want to use him to go collect the ransom money. And Chloe says that he doesn't want anything to happening to Dala because Dala didn't know anything. But Cohen is saying if he cooperates and works with the police, then he's not going to get into any trouble because utlaba berekani police. So now Chloe goes home to tell Dala about this whole thing. She made a deal with the police, and Captain Cohen was going to call Dala to discuss all the logistics about how they're going to plan out this whole thing of getting to catch Bruno and Minky. Dala is not keen. It's like, you think my police are our friend, but Chloe's like, we need to do this because if this whole thing blows over, we need to be safe. Obviously, Dallas does not really agree with this whole thing, but I think after talking to Cohen, then he was on board. And then they go to see Minky and Bruno, and then they tell them they're ready to go get the money, and Dallas says he's going to go get the money. He wants to live with Chloe, but Bruno's like, Chloe, how you feel? Chloe, washala. We're using her as insurance, washala mo, so that we're sure that you're going to bring back the money. And then Dala was not happy about that at first, but then Chloe was like, no, it's fine, music, lashala, I just not make things worse. Anyway, Dala was on my hair. Ari, if you try anything or do anything to my wife, I'll kill you both. Dala leaves then. A man comes back with the money, a bag full of money. Apparently, this money from the police, so my police are filming Dala Chalete so that they can plan this whole catching arrest Minky Bruno. He comes back with the money, makes sure, tells them no police will followed him. And then they check them, all the money is in there, and then Bruno hands the money over to Minky saying, it's okay, it's all in there, let's go. Now they want to take Chloe with, saying they want to use her as insurance. Mdalar, this is not happening. Oh, Chloe is not going with you. Ari, and then Sindana is like, there's no way Chloe is going with you. Chloe Lena. But Bruno is like, and then Dara says that if you dare touch her, the police, you're not going to live long enough to worry about the police. And then Bruno is like, no, not like that, man. I just want to use her as insurance. Ari, try me. There's no way Dara is allowing Bruno to go with his wife and use her as insurance. I mean, he knows already that the police are onto them. So Chloe might be caught in the crossfire. And then Dintle is talking to Tidi, saying that the Nhloso he married is not the same Nhloso that he was having an affair with. Tidi is like, hey, when it's different, side chicks and being a wife, two different things. So no, because Nhloso is the traditional man, you need to be able to have a kind of girl in order to make sure you guys don't fight all the time. And then Dintle is like, never, not me. I'll not pretend like I don't have money just to boost his ego. And then Mandlomo Mtunzi again. Mtunzi is worried about, and Tutu was saying, let's just tell him the truth. Mandlomo is like, no, I can't do that. Tutu is very protective of me, and I'm afraid that he might go back to drinking. But Mtunzi believes that if you tell him, then it's not going to be bad. But if you keep it quiet, if you keep it a secret, the secret that's what's going to break him. But Mandlomo feels like she's not ready to tell Tutu all these things. And then Potsotoge learns that his mom is a prostitute because Matubela Kiriboni told him, but Upotso does not believe it, saying that there's no way that his mom is a prostitute. The mother that gave birth to him, no ways, they're just doing this to sort of like when you go by Lance. Kanti Tapelo is going to fall victim into Mamsi. Mamsi sees Tapelo go levels, goes over there, starts flirting with Tapelo. Tapelo, because Uratabasadi falls into the trap and decides who they're going to sit and chat. Obviously, we know what's going to happen. Tapelo is going to end up in Mamsi's apartment. The next thing, he'll have to pay for Mavuso because Mams is not upfront for Waregisha. They only have to pay after. Now, this man, Victor, the one who works for Tapelo, is now, I think he liked Bridget, and now asking Tapelo, so Bridget, what kind of a person is she? Tapelo, wow, this man, Unyaka Bridget, and he's like, man, Emanyana, hold your horses. You're not, you're out of her league. Now this guy is going to pursue Bridget because Tapelo has just told him because he's out of her league. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.